Before starting work in the morning on the day of the incident, the second engineer held a toolbox talk to discuss the work plan for that day. The electrician mentioned he might work on the inert gas IG scrubber pump starter panel, but he did not specify the items to be completed nor the time frame for the work. No formal risk assessment, permit to work PT review, or lockout tagout lotto procedure were completed, despite all being specifically required by the Safety Management System (SMS). At about 11:30, the electrician told the engine cadet that he would be working on the IG scrubber pump starter panel, but the cadet did not question the electrician about the work, nor did he tell any other engineering officer. At 11:54, a low 440-volt insulation alarm activated in the engine control room, but the engine team could not identify the cause of the alarm. The cadet was instructed to tell the electrician to investigate the cause of the alarm and proceeded to the bottom platform where he had last seen him. The electrocution occurred because the electrician was working on the inert gas IG scrubber pump starter panel without following proper safety procedure. Specifically, he did not complete a formal risk assessment, obtain a permit to work, or implement a lockout tagout lotto procedure, all of which were required by the Safety Management Panel (LGSP). Additionally, the local group starter panel LGSP cabinet he was working on had a design flaw. It lacked a horizontal divider between the upper and lower section, and the 440-volt power terminals in the lower section were not covered to prevent accidental contact. These factors contribute to the fatal incident.
Hi, and now we'll move on to marine electrical safety laws. First of all, we have SOLAS, which bring the meaning safety of life at sea. The primary objective of SOLAS is to minimize the risk to human life at sea by establishing safety regulations for ships which covers various aspects. For example, the construction of ships, fire safety, and communications. SOLAS regulates ships to have adequate electrical power to ensure the operation of safety equipment and emergency power supplies, such as emergency generators, in the event of main power supply failure. Next, we have MARPOL, which focuses more onto the pollution. Unlike SOLAS, MARPOL indirectly impact the electrical systems by requiring the proper operation of pollution control technologies that rely on electrical power to meet environmental standards. For example, ships equipped with sewage treatment plants often rely on electrical systems to power treatment machinery. Electrical failure could lead to untreated sewage being discharged, violating MARPOL Annex 4. And we have ISM codes, The ISM codes is a part of SOLAS and focus on safe operation of ships, including electrical safety. The Safety Management System (SMS) developed under the ISM code will include specific procedures related to electrical safety. This ensures that proper maintenance, operation and inspection of electrical systems are carried out to avoid hazards. Safety protocols such as lockout, tagout, LOTO for electrical maintenance, ensuring that electrical equipment is de-energized during repairs and a part of the safety management procedures to prevent such incident earlier happen. The International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) is a global organization that prepares and publishes international standards for all electrical, electronic, and related technologies. IEC standards cover a broad range of technologies and applications, ensuring safety and efficiency across industries worldwide. For example, IEC 60092 covers electrical installations in ships. It includes safety requirements for electrical equipment, wiring, and installations that ensure safe operation under harsh marine conditions. Next, we have IEC 60092 to 201, which focus on electrical equipment, mostly for low voltage equipment, such as radio communications equipment. To conclude, IEC standards play a critical role in ensuring the safety, reliability, and the performance of electrical systems aboard ships, from power generation, communications, and automation, helping to create safer and more efficient maritime operations. Moving on to some of the laws and standards applicable for marine electrical safety. Firstly, we have Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952, which implements international standards such as SOLAS and MARPOL. It covers various aspects of shipping, including vessel registration, safety, navigation, and the welfare of seafarers. Next, Electricity Supply Act 1990, that regulates the generation, supply, and transmission of electrical power, including safety standards for electrical installation. Next, we have Factories and Machinery Act 1967, sets out safety provision that employers must follow regarding machinery installations and operation. It covers a wide range of machinery type, from manufacturing equipment to electrical installation and safety systems. Lastly, we have Environmental Quality Act 1974. Electrical machinery can generate waste, such as electrical components, batteries, and electrical cables. Improper disposal of this waste can result in soil and water contamination, which is addressed by the EQA's waste management provisions. Electrical equipment must be disposed in environmentally responsible way, and any toxic or hazardous materials must be managed according to the guidelines set by the Act. And now we will find an engineering solution to solve the incident happened earlier.
For this incident, there are many engineering solutions that can be made. One of them is to install a specified automated warning system. In the first place, the accidents occur due to the fact that the engine team couldn't figure out the causes of alarm which led to the electrocution. Thus, having an alarm that specifies which systems are malfunctioning or unsafe to go to work procedures can mitigate the risk. A toolbox talk is a short informal safety briefing where workers are briefed about specific hazards, procedures, and etc. It is a safety measure and ensure engineering practices. Attending a toolbox talk is one of the engineering solutions, as the incidents occur due to unawareness of engineering officers about the whereabouts or what the electrician about to do. With this, it is safe to say that attending a toolbox talk is crucial for those who work in hazardous industries. Here's an important fact. According to the law, a formal risk assessment should be conducted in regular interval as required by the safety management system. This incident can be avoided as a formal risk assessment can identify the hazards of working in the cabinet with 440 power cables and terminals. Permit to work process is a process that ensures work is done safely and efficiently in hazardous industries. International Maritime Organization requires all the workers to conduct PTW before work begins. Therefore, if there is any hazards in the workplace, which in this case live electrical energy, LOTO will be applied. LOTO or lockout procedures is a specific process to isolate energy during maintenance, where if the workers have strict compliance with PTW, the electrician might have survived to see another day.